Hey, Derek here with the Closet Doctor, and we are at the Salice showroom in Charlotte, North Carolina. They had a little open house tonight for the closet show, and they were showing us around and showing these, what do you call this, top hinge doors. And so, very, very slick. So, first off, I don't know if you see in there very good, but it's a very small mechanism. And then I'll show you a second in the hinge. So this is what's cool about it is, you can do pretty good sized doors with it. When you lift it up, wherever you take your hand off of it and stop lifting it, it stops and stays. And then they set up the, here I'll switch to the other view. So this is they explained, we're cabinet guys are hinge guys, and so they made this a hinge. So this pops up. So this is the door panel. You run it on your hinge machine, you take your side holes out, those drill bits out, and it's a 35mm hinge hole. And then these two holes here can be either a Euro screw or a regular screw. And so you straighten that up, put it in there, and so it's very solid and secure, and we're familiar with, you know, how it works. I've done some other one of these and they're very complicated. And then it just snaps into place just like a hinge. So let's see, drops in the back there, and there's your clip right there. And then this is the mechanism. It's got soft close in it, and it's got a spring depending on how big you can do. And then that's how it closes. So really, really super slick up hinge doors that work really, really good. Really like those. They got another cool thing. I'm gonna take you over and show you their new drawer slide. Hey, this is the standard Salice soft close, and you get the same motion in all the other ones. So watch it when you close it. As it hits, it has that kind of a stop and bump and then goes in. Now check out their new Progressa. So this is Salice's new Progressa soft close undermount guide. And the first thing, it's got a nice long stroke on the soft close, but as what they're telling me is this is a liquid filled piston instead of a gas one, which gives it a very nice motion. So as you watch it here, as they shut it, it doesn't have that stop or bounce. It just continually goes in and closes. So nice and smooth. Very nice.